I am always looking out for tips to grow my hair. Not only grow it, but grow it cheap. If I take my phone now and go to YouTube and type CH, all you will see is cheap hairstyle, cheap hair care, cheap everything. So when I stumbled upon this video from Curly Chemistry titled Your Conditioner and Your Leave-In Are Twins, I just knew I was going to love the video. I almost broke my finger clicking on that video. In this video, she talks about the fact that there are too many products, too many brands, and it would be good to know which product can be used as substitute for another. All I was waiting for was one sentence. She used a lot of terms that chemists are surely going to understand. Then my sentence came. Now to the big question, can you use a conditioner as a leave-in conditioner? Can you use these interchangeably? Now, if you want to use a conditioner as a leave-in conditioner, yes, you totally can, because like I said before, structurally wise, they are pretty much the same exact thing. Once I heard that, I was so happy. It was just, you cannot imagine my joy at that point. I don't think I had a conditioner in the house at that point, because generally I don't use a conditioner to dangle my hair. I use a deep conditioner. So I think I went to the market that day or latest the next day to buy a conditioner. I didn't even waste time. Don't get me wrong. The only thing I have against leave-in conditioners is that they are too expensive for me. The conditioner I got was 2,000 francs. When in Cameroon, in order to get a leave-in conditioner, you need to start counting from 7,000. Just do the maths. Do the maths. That was 5,000 francs in my pockets. I was so happy. I was so happy. So, like I said, the first conditioner I got was 2,000 francs from the brand Suave. I hope I'm pronouncing it well. It's Suave. I'm just going to put a picture here. I no longer have the bottle. I'll put the picture here, or is it here? Ah, I'll just put a picture for you to see. I did not think I still had this footage. This is me using the Suave conditioner as leave-in conditioner at the beginning of my mini braids journey. After I used it the first time, I loved it. I don't know if it is just because I was happy about the 5,000 francs I put in my pocket, but I just loved it. My hair felt like heaven. Don't ask me what heaven feels like. I just know my hair was it was like it was like clouds, heaven, those nice soft things. I loved it so much. I used it on my mom's hair. I told my sister about it, but she never listens. She's too stubborn. Hello, sis. By the time it got finished, I had moved from Bamenda, where I was born and spent all my life, to Yaoundé due to the Anglophone crisis ongoing now in Cameroon. And I don't understand Yaoundé. I still can't get my head around how Yaoundé works. I looked for the same conditioner for about a month and I couldn't find it. So I just decided to take any other conditioner and I took this one. It's from American Hair Care. They have a relaxing cream, so I took the small one. I was afraid that after using it, I would end up with relaxed hair. That is why I took the small one. If you are not yet subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Hit that button already. After using it the first time, it did not give, it was not that same feeling. My hair did not feel dry, but it did not feel like that first one. So I convinced myself that it might just be the relaxant thing getting to my head and making me feel like I'm doing something wrong to my hair. So I used it a second, then a third time, but it still was not it. So I put it aside. Since I already used the money for the conditioner and I was not sure the one I was going to buy next was the right one, I just took one random conditioner from my cousin. I took this one, this Daniel Whole Blends Color Care Conditioner. You have probably seen me use this in one of my videos. I'm going to insert it somewhere. I don't know which side. I'm going to insert it somewhere for you to see. I used it the same thing two, three, four times. It was still not giving. It was not giving. But I did not feel that this one was not really giving because I was using it on top of my mini braids. It is when I use it on my free hair that I noticed that it was not it. It still was not it. So I had just given up. I would just, after washing my hair, I would just put hair grease. And yes, I use hair grease. That is what I use to seal the moisture. So all this time, this is how my dress was. I must look crazy. I'm still going to upload the video. So after failing the second time, I asked myself questions. I asked myself why it did not work, why these two last conditioners did not work. And it hit me when I was buying the first conditioner. I had just noticed that my hair did not like one ingredient. So I went through the ingredient list of these two conditioners and I googled the ingredients of the first one. And I noticed one thing: these two conditioners have glycerin. The first one did not have it. That was it. That was the ingredient that was making things weird for me. Not long after that, I got a client. She's a braider too. She called me into her beauty institute to braid her hair. God, same prayer. Give me a beauty institute. I need one. Okay, not beauty institute. Maybe that one is too much. Let's bring it down to a salon. Okay, just a small chair where my clients can sit and they do their hair. Small space, I beg. So when I was doing her hair in her beauty institute, I noticed she had products on the shelf that she was selling. She had makeup products, she had shampoos, conditioner. So after I finished doing that hair, I took a seat. I grabbed one conditioner after the other and I went through the ingredients list. Ingred- ingredient. I went through the ingredient list. The conditioner I found without glycerin was this one. This Elvive. You have probably seen it in one of my videos already. When I got home, I washed my hair and I used it and it was perfect. It was not like the first one. Maybe it's just my mind. It's all in my head. But it was different from the two last ones. It was different. My hair felt, you understand? My hair felt really good. So I have been using this conditioner since then. Using a conditioner as leave-in is the best hack for me so far because it saves me a lot of money. Like she said in her video, it is more about marketing strategy now. The brands don't really make different products. They just change little one or two ingredients according to what their budget permits them or according to how fancy they want the products to look, then sell it to us. I think you should try using a conditioner as leave-in, but pay attention. Pay attention to the ingredients. Some people's hair don't like coconut oil. Some people's hair don't like glycerin like mine. But if you're not sure what your hair likes or does not like, you just have to experiment. It's a try and error. We all went through that. Just try, experiment, use with, without, and listen to your hair. You're going to know what it likes. Listen, the feel when you touch it tells you things. Listen, you will know what works for you. We have come to the end of this video. I hope it helps you. I hope you find answers to your questions. Remember, it may be difficult now, but it is going to be better. We are all going to make it. Take care. Bye.